Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to calculate weekdays between two dates in Excel. Click inside the cell where the formula will reside. Type equals network days. Then type in the first date of the range encased in. For example, the 6th of April 2012. Then type a comma and the end date of the range encased in quotes. Close your parenthesis and hit enter. The 10th of April 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
A business day is a popular unit of time measure that typically refers to any day in which normal business operations are conducted. In Western countries, this is generally considered to be Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. local time and excludes weekends and public holidays. 9 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you'd like to calculate the difference between two dates while excluding weekends and holidays, use the network days function instead. This also looks for three arguments: the start date, the end date, and optional holidays. Unlike the workday function, the network days function does include or count the start day. 17 July 2019.
Take our lead.
You can take the number of days in that month. If you break this down to apply to any month, you end up with the following: if there are 28 days in a month, there are always 8 weekends, so there are always 20 weekdays.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.